Yatris, we actually felt that people over there they are not red. I mean, the solution, big corporates and startups, they have solution of every kind. But they don't have data related the rural India and all the corporates. So we came up with the idea of Setu Enterprises. Okay. So Setu basically means serving everyone through unity. So we are an asset light company bridging the gap between commercial enterprise and the end user. Our industry is basically focused on individual finance. We will try to study each and the finances of rural India to create local opportunities and impact every organization and individual in the region. Uh, our mission is to provide 360-degree demand analysis to companies and to generate more revenue streams and product lineups. Akshay?
Yeah, thank you, Prashant. So as told by Prashant, Setu means connecting the bridge. Since there are financial institution exist in India, also there is a personal person exist in India. So what we have to connect both the parties. Means जो कस्टमर की नीड है जो फाइनेंशियल इंस्टीट्यूशन के पास सॉल्यूशन है, हमको उन दोनों की गैप्स को सॉर्ट आउट करना है. So how we will do it that? In a first phase, what we will do the practical ground level survey, and in that survey we will take the customer's problem and what they want actually. With that data we will create a specific insights, and with that insight we will coordinate with companies. That is our, what you can say, the motto. In the first phase we will do it ground to ground, then in the second and third phase we will think to go it digitally. Next slide, Prashant, please. Okay, to run this organization or this particular campaign, we required the three main pillar of this particular organization. One is a customer itself, second one is a government, third one is the corporate or enterprises. The government is needed when we are going to coordinate, conduct survey in any specific village. We require the authority from the government body. Then enterprises needed who will do what you can say, who have a product for that particular customer. And then the third is a corporate who will incorporate or invest in that particular campaign. Thanks. Next. So to do this kind of work, there are the four important pillars of the organization. One is the data. First, ground level data collection we have to do. Then after that, collected data we have to analyze, we have to prepare report and create insights, and we have to sell that particular insights to a company so that they can sell their product to particular area, particular person. To define this particular data, there are multiple processes exist in between. To manage that particular process is a part of operation. And third one is a compliance and underwriting. These are the four important pillars of the business. Next one, Prashant, please. So to run this the database research company, what you can say, what are our strength, what is our opportunity, strength and limitation? The strength is we have a one-on-one connection with locally. Then we have a good amount of expertise in the data who can generate a high amount of insights. Then opportunity, wide range of market, multiple revenue stream. And limitation is initial sales will take a lot of time. That's it. Thanks. Next. Okay, the business model canvas. Okay, so it's of business. So as I told you initially, our key partner are government body, the entrepreneur and customer. Our activity is to conduct the survey at particular village. Then our value proposition is to
last minute.
Okay, so with the digital and non-digital channel, we will connect with customer and we will generate revenue through third party only. Next. So this is our stream structure, who is going to represent each and every individual task. Next one. So I will handle the financial model or revenue generation stream to the Saloni.
So, Prashant, if you could just open the slide fast.
30 seconds to go.
Okay.
Saloni, fast.
Yes,
Tony,
I
your
am. Yeah, I'm just sharing my screen. Okay. Here, if you see the revenue model, the revenue model states that the basic revenue that is going to be collected is from the business enterprise where we are giving advisory services. Second is the subscription services that we are going to give to the vendors that are available in the tier one cities, or the corporates who are going to give us subscription, and then the
And
lead
sub-
revenue that we generate. So these are the basic revenues, and then the structure. So initially we do not have any profit. Over the years, we are expecting a huge amount of profit from this work. Thank you.
Group 22, your time is up. Now I request our jury to share their feedback or questions. Thank you.
I think Saloni, your financial projections were not visible, but if you could
Oh.
project them.
screen.
Can I share my screen now, if you don't mind?
I would love to see
Yes, you
that.
can.
Okay. 1 second, please.
Prashant, you'll have to stop sharing your screen.
Yeah, Prashant, you need to stop sharing so that I can share the revenue model. Just give me a heads up if the screen is visible.
Yes, yes.
It is feasible. You can go ahead.
Okay, so Ashutosh ji, as I was trying to explain, is that my financial model first, there are 4 major sources of revenue that we are expecting. One is from the local enterprises that are there, where we provide the financial and accounting services there. Then the second expectation of revenue is from the tier 1 corporates or even small businesses who are going to take a subscription from us to sell products in the rural area. The third source of revenue would be that the individual product that is being sold, could it be a service or a product as well, where we are expecting a lead revenue service, and every lead that we provide to the enterprise in the tier 1 city, or be it a corporate or an MNC, we are expecting a lead revenue. So we initially, since the survey is going to take time, and the building of personal connect is going to take a lot of time, we are not expecting any revenue for the first year at least. And second year, as we start building the connect with the local people there and the vendors also in the MNCs and the tier 1 cities, then we are expecting a revenue to build up over the years. So the major expenses that we are expecting to have would be salaries, transportation, stationery cost, and the laptop cost maximum that we are expecting. Sorry. Yeah.
एक छोटा सा क्वेश्चन ये बताइए आप.
हाँ बोलिए.
आप अपना यूज केस ही बता दीजिए कि आप करना क्या चाहते हैं. मतलब कोई एक एग्जांपल देके बता दीजिए मुझे.
ओके. जो मैं
Saloni.
Anyone? Yeah.
Yeah, sir. Typically, what we want to do कि let us assume Devar एक region है. हम वहाँ पे we as a company going to do a survey. डोर टू डोर जाएंगे. हमारा सर्वे मेथोडोलॉजी प्रिपेयर रहेगा. हम सर्वे करेंगे. सर्वे के बेसिस पे हमें बहुत सारी इंफॉर्मेशन मिलेगी, डेटा मिलेगा. उस डेटा को हम एनालिसिस करेंगे. अभी डेटा को कलेक्ट करने के वेरियस टाइप्स हैं. तो कस्टमर की नीड क्या है, वहाँ के प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट क्या है, उनको क्या प्रोडक्ट की रिक्वायरमेंट है, देन उस पर्टिकुलर डेटा जो कस्टमर का प्रोडक्ट रिक्वायर्ड है, हमारा फाइनेंशियल इंस्टीट्यूशन के साथ या एंटरप्रेन्योर के साथ टाइप रहेगा. उनके प्रोडक्ट क्या है, उनकी सर्विस क्या है, देन हम दोनों को कनेक्ट करेंगे कि इस पर्टिकुलर लोकेशन पे ये 100 पीपल हैं जिनको क्या बोलते हैं, जिनके पास लेटेस्ट इंश्योरेंस नहीं है, तो उन पर्टिकुलर लोगों में से कितने लोग इंश्योरेंस लेने के लिए रेडी होंगे. So that kind of data or lead we are going to generate. So insurance is a one example. Suppose हमने गांव में सर्वे किया कि कितनों के पास खेती के लिए ये इंस्ट्रूमेंट है, तो उसमें से पता चला कि एक गांव में 1000 लोग खेती करते हैं, लेकिन सिर्फ ऐसे 100 ही लोग हैं जिनके पास एक पर्टिकुलर इंस्ट्रूमेंट नहीं है. लेकिन तो उनसे अगर हम कम्युनिकेट करते कि ये आप प्रोडक्ट खरीदोगे, अगर आपको डिस्काउंट पे मिलता है, अच्छे से मिलता है, तो that kind of work we want to do.
Eventually, over the years, I would just like to add on to Akshay. What Akshay is trying to say is that once we build a connect from the tier 2 cities or tier 3 places to the cities, we can actually sell the products available in the rural areas to the cities as well. So that is what we are trying to say. So, and what we are generating revenue from is the commission work that we are providing the data to the each enterprise, and then we are asking them to go directly and sell it to the customers. So we are expecting a revenue generation from that cycle, and this way we are actually trying to build a connect, because right now what we see, there is a lot of lack of information between the cities and the rural areas. So we are trying to bring the focus of corporates and MNCs towards this area. That is what we are trying to do.
Do you think your overheads, considering it's the first year, it's too high?
Yes, because we will have a high amount of overhead, or the expenses would be very high, because firstly it is gonna take a lot of labor cost to go, staff cost, or the personal people who are gonna go and connect to each people and collect the information, or when we are connecting ourselves with the vendor, everyone has to connect. So that is going to take up a lot of cost initially for the first year. Over the years, after you build the first connect, if you build the relationship, then we are expecting to receive a reward from that after first year.
AKM, you have a question?
No, I don't.
Any questions from AKM or Chinmay?
I'm done.
I'm done, yes. But good presentation.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you, Group 23. Now I
Thank you.
request 33 to do present.
Thank you.